Have you ever wondered what the universe is hiding from us? What if I told you that one day on Venus is longer than 1 year? Or that there is a planet where it literally rains diamonds? In this video, you'll discover 10 unbelievable space facts that sound fake, but are completely real. Make sure you stay until the end because fact number 1 is the most shocking of all. Did you know that space is completely silent? Even the biggest explosion in space makes no sound because there is no air to carry sound waves. That's why astronauts can't hear anything outside their spacecraft without radios. Imagine watching a giant star explode in total silence. The footprints left by astronauts on the moon may remain there for millions of years. Since the moon has almost no wind or rain, nothing washes them away. Those footprints are like a time capsule from humanity's first visit to another world. One day on Venus lasts longer than 1 year. Venus spins so slowly that it takes 243 Earth days to complete one rotation, but it orbits the Sun in only 225 Earth days. That means a single day is actually longer than an entire year. Imagine standing on a planet where diamonds fall from the sky instead of rain. It sounds like something from a science fiction movie, but scientists believe this could actually happen on Neptune and Uranus. Deep inside these giant planets, the pressure is so incredibly high that carbon atoms are squeezed together and transformed into diamonds. Researchers think these diamonds may slowly sink toward the center of the planet, like sparkling rain. Although no human has ever seen this happen in person, laboratory experiments have shown that this incredible process is scientifically possible. The universe truly contains wonders beyond our imagination. The Sun looks like just another star in the sky, but it's actually a giant powerhouse. Around 99.8% of all the mass in our solar system belongs to the Sun. Every planet, moon, asteroid, and comet combined make up less than 1%. Its enormous gravity keeps everything in orbit, including Earth. Every second, the Sun converts millions of tons of hydrogen into energy, producing the light and heat that make life on our planet possible. Without the Sun, Earth would become a frozen, lifeless world drifting through space. The next time you visit a beach, pick up a handful of sand and imagine counting every grain. It would take an incredibly long time. Now imagine counting every grain of sand on every beach on Earth. Surprisingly, scientists believe there are still far more stars in the observable universe than all those grains of sand combined. Astronomers estimate that the universe contains hundreds of sextillions of stars. Every tiny point of light you see in the night sky could be another giant sun, and many of them may have planets orbiting around them. Somewhere out there, entirely different worlds may exist, waiting to be discovered. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings, but here's something even more surprising. Saturn is the only planet in our solar system with an average density lower than water. In theory, if you could find an ocean large enough, which is impossible of course, Saturn would actually float instead of sinking. This doesn't mean you could sail around on Saturn because it's a giant ball of gas with no solid surface. Still, it's one of those incredible facts that sounds completely impossible until science proves it's true. The universe never stops surprising us. Imagine celebrating your birthday before a single day has ended. It sounds impossible, but something very similar happens on Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and it moves around the Sun incredibly fast, completing one orbit in just 88 Earth days. However, because it rotates so slowly, one sunrise to the next takes about 176 Earth days. In other words, a solar day on Mercury is twice as long as its year. During the daytime, temperatures can rise above 430 degrees Celsius, while at night, they can drop below minus 180 degrees Celsius. Mercury is a world of extreme conditions that challenges everything we think we know about planets. Black holes are among the most mysterious objects in the universe. Their gravity is so powerful that not even light can escape once it crosses the event horizon. But that's not the only incredible thing about them. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time itself slows down near extremely strong gravity. If someone could safely stay close to a black hole and then return to Earth, less time would have passed for them than for people far away. Scientists have measured this effect around Earth with precise clocks, and near a black hole, it would become dramatically stronger. Black holes don't just bend space, they also bend time itself. Every atom of carbon in your body, the oxygen you breathe, the calcium in your bones, and the iron in your blood was created inside ancient stars billions of years ago. When those massive stars reached the end of their lives, they exploded in spectacular supernovas, scattering these elements across space. Over millions of years, that material became new stars, planets, and eventually life on Earth. This means that every human being is literally made from the remains of ancient stars. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you are connected to the universe in a very real way. We are not just living in the universe, we are part of it. Which space fact amazed you the most? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible facts every week. Thanks for watching Factlixora, and we'll see you in the next adventure among the stars.